Villasport is a subsidiary company of Saifi Enterprises. Saifi Enterprises owned and operated Century Theaters, a large movie theater exhibition chain in the West Coast. In 2006, we sold that company, and that's when we actually began the inception of Villasport. Villasport operates 2 athletic clubs and spa and is looking to expand. Our first club in Colorado Springs opened in December of 2007. And our membership has tripled since the opening. Our second club in the Woodlands was opened in May of 2009 and has seen continuous growth in membership. Each location employs up to 250 employees per year. Our facility is more than just your average athletic club. We offer state-of-the-art technology. A lot of our cardio equipment has personal television screens on them. Our facility has wireless access for our business consumers. We offer over 100 classes: cardio, spinning, yoga, kinesis, a kids club, a spa, all contained within a 300,000 square foot campus. The building itself is up to 88,000 square feet. We provide everything that our members need to maintain a healthy lifestyle. SpectrumNG became the choice of Villasport because they had the widest selection of offerings in the club management industry. My staff that's dedicated to the support of CSI is made up of an expert in the software who handles all of our training. We also have a software developer that creates reports, ad hoc reports for us, who really drives the analysis part of our company. The prospect management module in CSI is used to manage prospective members to our club. Any leads from our website, any walk-ins or drive-bys, or any people or persons that we send out mailers to that are interested in joining the club, we maintain in CSI through their prospect management module. The contract module in CSI allows us to electronically capture new members' registrations, all electronically. No pen and paper for contract signature. It's all done online electronically on a Verifone signature capture device. That's one of the coolest features that I don't think any other software providers in this industry have done. The check-in module is the module that is used when members come into the club.
Good workout. Hello, how's it going?
And they swipe their cards and their time and date are checked into the computer system. That really provides our analysis department with a lot of information in terms of how frequent our members are coming to the club, which in turn helps out our budgeting and payroll process to know how much staff we should have on hand during those times, during our peak times, during our slow times. The check-in module also allows our front desk staff to notify our members of any important messages from our corporate office, or remind our members if they have a scheduled appointment with a personal trainer or if they have a scheduled appointment in the spa. At Villasport, we have a great cafe called Villa Cafe. We offer pastries in the morning, sandwiches in the afternoon. CSI provides us with a point-of-sale module to track those sales. The point-of-sale software actually allows us to capture credit card signatures all on an electronic capture device through CSI software SpectrumNG. The point-of-sale system is also used in our outdoor pool area because we have a cafe in that area. So POS module enables our staff to take orders, keep those tickets open until the member is ready to complete their payment. SpectrumNG is flexible enough for us to use wirelessly using a mobile device. For example, around our pool area, we will be using Apple iPads and running CSI point of sale on those. So our personal training department schedules and books several appointments with our members and non-members. In order to track all those appointments, we use the scheduler module. The module itself is great because it books out specific trainers, specific resources or rooms required to facilitate the training. So if we have a personal training session being done in one room, only one trainer can be using that room because it automatically gets reserved. SpectrumNG allows our staff to manage the locker rentals throughout our facility. Using the locker module in CSI, our staff can assign specific lockers to member accounts and bill those on a monthly basis. Villakids facility is a 12,000 square foot facility dedicated to kids. They have their own studios, they have their own play area, indoor and outdoor. They have a crib area for our infants. The different sections of the Villakids area are also separated by different age groups. The Kid Care module in NG provides our staff with the tools to check in the child. It streamlines that process. We have profiles of each child. We know their allergies. We know if there's any specific notes for the child in terms of they're not allowed to play in the water or they need any special attention during their stay at Villakids. From a security standpoint, it tracks who's authorized to pick up and drop off your child. So we're able to validate with a picture who the guardians or who the authorized people are to pick up your child. We use SpectrumNG throughout our entire facility, including our spa. The Villa Spa at Villasport offers a wide array of services from nails to waxes and massages. And in order to manage the bookings and reservations for our spa, we need to have a system that is flexible enough to allow us to book these appointments. Know that this member has special requirements for their service, like if they always prefer a female masseuse versus a male masseuse. The system must also accommodate some of our rooms. CSI took everything that we needed to operate our club and provided us a tool to manage that.